Assalamu alaikum, I am mehar bilal. Our new series Learn Urdu is in progress. Today we are going to learn its second lecture, Urdu alphabets. In first lecture we have learned about alif, alif madda, which is not proper letter of Urdu, but we have read it, learn it for those who don't know Urdu. B sound as ba, pe sound as pa, te sound as ta, te sound as ta, or se sound as sa. Similarities, it sound like a, it sound like b, it sound like p. These both sound like t, and this sound like s. It is just revision of first lecture. If you want to learn it in detail, you should see its link in description and watch our first video. So today we are going to teach the next one, jeem. In Urdu, its name is jeem, 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 and it sounds like as ja, just in English as j, ja, jaw, java, job. It's j. The next member of this family is chay. In Urdu, its name is chay, chay. It sounds as cha, cha. In English, we can pronounce it as ch, cha, just like as Chaudhary, Chand, Chaman. The next one is hey. In Urdu, its name is hey, hey. Sound as ha, ha. In English, its pronunciation is just like h, ha, like as hockey, like as hukm, like as hukumat. The next one is khay. In Urdu, its name is khay, khay, khay. It sounds like as ha, ha. And in English, we can exactly pronounce it as kh, Khalid. Just as Khalid, Khandan, Khadim. It's our second lecture in which we have learned jeem, ja, che, cha, he, ha, khay, ha. It have also their shapes, means half shapes, similar as first lecture. This whole family has its half shape just as this. If you want to join them, they should write in this form, judge. The first jeem is in its short form, this one, judge. If you write this family in any word, you should use its half shapes. If they are in starting point, they should in this form, and if in last point, they should in this form. Hajj. Similarly, Baj. This is Bay, of shape of Bay, and this is Jeem, of shape of Jeem. So you have to learn their half shapes as well as their name, their sound and pronunciation. I think you have learned it. If you have any problem, comment us or use WhatsApp for more details. Thank you. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.